Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CUBOT R19 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on system. Now we have to tap on date and time, which should be on the third position, so let's enter. And as you can see here, we've got some options which we can customize, but we cannot change the date, time and time zone manually. So in order to do that, we have to turn off the automatic time zone, and let's tap on the automatic date and time. We have to tap on turn off. That was a misclick. Of course, as you can see, you can use GPS provided time, but let me turn it off. And as you can see, those options are active. So let's begin with the date. After tapping on it, you will be able to pick the date from this calendar. So let me just find a random date like this one. Let's tap on OK in order to confirm, and as you can see, it is immediately applied. The same situation with the time, so let's tap on it, and this time we can choose from the clock. Of course, if you do not like this option, this form of choosing the hour, you can tap on this keyboard and you will be able to type in the time, but I will pick it from the clock. So let me pick, I don't know, maybe this one. Let's tap on OK. Remember about the OK, because thanks to this you can confirm your choice. And as you can see, it is immediately applied to the status bar. The same situation with the time. Let's tap on selected time zone, tap on the region. And as you can see here, we've got the full list of all available regions from which we can choose. So obviously right now all we have to do is to simply find the region we'd like to set and tap on it. So let me pick randomly this one. Okay, it can be this one. And as you can see, it's immediately applied, but be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. So as you can see right now, we've got the 5 o'clock, almost half past 5, and I've previously set 10:30. So under it, we've got another section with the clock format and the date format. Here you can decide automatically actually not automatically, but you can pick the 24-hour format or 12-hour format. As you can see, you've got here the local default, but it is set that it's 24-hour format, whatever. So right now we are using 24-hour format. If you'd like to use 12-hour format, you have to keep this option turned off. So we can choose the date format also, and here we've got much more options to choose from. So we've got the regional option and some others. So for example, the day is first, the month is first, the year is first, and so on and so on. So it's really up to you which option you'd like to use. Of course, if you want to change it, just tap on the option you'd like to set, and as you can see, it is immediately changed. So actually this is it. This is how to customize the date and time, and of course you can get back to all previous settings if you want to. Just change the date, use the 24-hour format, turn on the automatic time zone, and here tap on use network provided time. So actually this is it. This is how to change the date and time in your CUBOT R19. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.